All right. So this is going to be just me brainstorming an idea that I have about a live stream overlay system. Let me make sure that the stream actually is up. It appears that it is, but I can't see it. Let's see if I've got decent audio. So this is just me brainstorming an idea. All right. That audio is coming through just fine, it seems like. Um, all right. Back with you. So this is an idea of how I want to handle doing overlays on a video stream. So for example, let's see if I can actually do it right here. I cannot. That's a shame. I thought I was going to be able to add an image from my phone. So basically, the issue that I'm running into is for performance reasons, I need to run OBS rather than using something like Restream Studio, which has all of these overlays. I need to be able to do this all from my local equipment. And basically, so imagine, the iPad screen is here showing you, should be showing you the video here. I'm talking. I want to be able to do an overlay and have that come and go. I thought I was going to be able to undo that a lot quicker. Have that be able to appear and disappear, be able to change that in midstream. It's very difficult to do these kind of dynamic things in OBS. So what I want to work on, and really right now uh, I'm just kind of getting my thoughts down on paper, so to speak. So we're going to call this OBS. And currently it streams over to restream.io for me. Now Restream is taking care of multiplexing this stream to YouTube and Twitter at the same time. And that's great. It's really very helpful. But what I'm planning to do is actually I want to kind of step in the middle here, and I'm going to intercept this with nginx. Well, that's not how you spell nginx. nginx is going to intercept this video, and then it's going to intercept that rtmp stream. So that's that video coming through straight out of OBS. And I'm going to pass that through ffmpeg. Now, ffmpeg has the ability to modify the stream inline. So I'm going to be able to inject images, I guess. So really is what I'm hoping to inject is an image. And the way that I think this is going to work, I don't know for sure how I'm going to build all of this yet. My next step is going to be to play with nginx and that rtmp module so that I can watch how this video comes through. You'll probably see some streams where it's just me overlaying some image on top of what I'm doing on camera and on screen down here on the iPad, or on the, if I were to switch over to the screen like what you're looking at now, I want to be able to overlay an image on top of that. And so how I think I'm going to accomplish that is, if you imagine you have your web UI, it is perfectly square like what you see on the screen here. This is going to be, let's draw a better one than that. So this will be an image editor, and this will be preview. And so in the image editor over here on the right, we're going to have transparent. It's going to be a transparent background, and it's going to be sized to, 10, 20, I don't know, whatever size the video is. That's not even a real resolution. I've never seen that ran anywhere, I don't believe. Well, that'd be ugly. Maybe that's what mobile screens. Anyway, so it's going to match the video stream that's coming through. And so a fully transparent image, by default, I'm going to have a ffmpeg overlay. Just imagine just a clear sheet of glass over top of the video. And then I want to be able to use the image editor. Matter of fact, I kind of saw an image. Let me find my, see, CodePen, JavaScript, Canvas, image editor, because I don't remember. Nope, this is not it. Let me see if I can pull it up. That's Fabric.js editor is the one I want. So I found this Fabric.js editor. I'm just going to make some notes over here in Notion. Make the screen a little bigger. Hope the stream's still going well for you guys. Hope it doesn't look really bad or sound really bad. So basically, I want to be able to, if you imagine, this is the image editor. So imagine this over here on the iPad. I don't have a way to show you the iPad and my screen all at the same time. It'd be nice if I did. I guess I could make one. But so this will be the image editor. I actually like this. So I'm going to take a screenshot of that. You guys can't see that other screen, but there we go. All right, so I want to have an image editor like this and the preview window. So back on the iPad. So if imagine that image editor that I was just showing over on the left-hand side of the screen. So you can design these overlays. Maybe it's who's speaking at the moment. Maybe it's some link you want to share. And then you should have an apply button that will cause this image to become overlaid on your stream in real time, just like that. And you should be able to also, go through a list of prior art. We'll call it art. So you should be able to choose from this list and quickly apply it back. Imagine, you bring somebody back on. If it's a podcast type show, you want to put their name back on that overlay, and you don't want to have to mess with OBS. Maybe everything's set up. And the beauty of this, if I do it correctly, you should be able to control this overlay with a different device that is not in your studio equipment. So it's not going to put any more, tax on your recording machine. You don't need to, have extra. You can just use extra laptops. Somebody else could be somewhere, for instance, um, and they could manage putting these things on screen for you. And the way that I think it's going to work, I don't have it completely thought out yet, but if we imagine, I'm going to go back. OBS is going to go to nginx. nginx goes to ffmpeg, and ffmpeg is just going to always do overlay.png. So it's just going to keep reading from this file over and over and over and over and over again. Now, through the magic of containers, what I plan to do is be able to overwrite this image with my web app. So being able to just update this image over and over and over, rewriting overlay.png, is going to allow ffmpeg to have this content change midstream. You don't need to restart ffmpeg. You don't need anything. I think this is going to work pretty well. I don't know that for a fact, but doing some Googling earlier, ffmpeg, we want to do watermark. So watermark is very similar to what we're doing. This AR414 was pretty useful. Um, so the Docker probably use to in my setup. Just a Docker has ffmpeg tmp4 engine. This is just the config. So he does have a Docker here. So back to testing, and basically what I'm doing here, a transparent piece size of the string, and as you from the editor, I like the image and put the video probably what he had toward that, that quite a bit. Here, here's a so this is pretty. You guys weren't my bad. So image that I'm doing this so hard on the computer, watch it too. So this essentially accomplish what we're talking about here. First pass is not going to have an image. It's not. It's just this thing, and I'm just going to update that overlay.png over here and just see what it looks like. And need the iPad anymore. Start kind of playing around with this and just see where I get. First are going to be, we need next ffmpeg. ffmpeg. Overlay into container. Going to stream video. Stream this nginx. Watch stream. At this point, we should have a video with our overlay. Yeah, imagine it's across the or
Testing.